Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video I'm going to the Wonders and the AIA Observatory Well. So let's go, samahan niyo ako guys. So yun, dito na ako dumaan guys sa may pier o Central Pier, pababa. Dito ako dumaan, and then ang daming mga naka-display dito guys about sa history ng Central Pier or the ferry, yung mga equipment, materials, and the old Star Ferry is here, the display here. Ayan yung observatory, and so many people here line up. Oh, ang haba ng line guys. Ayan, ang daming mga turista. Diba? Ang ganda. And then sa area na to guys, alam nyo bakit may mga naka-display na ganyan? Ayan, kung gusto mong mag-picture, and you can use their dress. May mga Chinese red gown, and doon tapos makukuha yung AIA Observatory Well. Siya yung parang landscape mo or view mo. Ayan. And then may mga bukid pa sila, and then ayan yung red gown, mga Chinese dress, mga accessories, and ito yung dyan ka mag-picture guys, and see, we still have this. Ayan, dyan ka mag-picture. So, kuha yung observatory well. Yeah, I don't know how much. So, here guys, ayan. This is the Pier 5, 6. Ayan, ito naman is yung Pier 1, 2, 3. Ayan. And the weather today is not bad, it's not good because the rain is coming. So I just walk here guys, going to there. And dito sa area na to guys, itong malawak na to guys, they have the summer fest. Usually here guys, they have a lot of activities. So, ito yung pupuntahan ko guys. They have the Inflatable Wonders. They have the Pyramid of Giza, Egypt. Easter Islands, Muy, Chile. Stonehenge, UK. And the Arc de Triomphe, France. And we have this Tower of Pisa in Italy. So, this is the one that I go inside guys. Yan yung nag-organize is Central Venue Management. And inspired by the artist, AI artists. So, I'm here na guys. Ayan, yung Inflatable Wonders. And at my back is the AIA Observatory Well. And I'm going inside here guys. So, ayan, pasok tayo. This one is for free. So, yan guys, Summerfest. Ayan, medyo, yung mga iba daw guys, is na-close na kasi nga hindi maganda yung weather. Kaya yung ice, kaya dami na wala guys. So, ito na sila guys. Ito guys, the two giant inflatable faces. This one is the Easter Islands Moi o MEOI from Chile. O, diba? Ayan. Yun, ang laki ng fish ni kaka. Oh, may basa. Ayan. Kaso hindi maganda yung weather. Ayan. So, ayan guys, yung dalawang inflatable statue sa likuran ko. Ayan. Ayan. Yung mga iba, yun yung Stonehenge of UK. ba ang bilhin? And then ito guys, the Stonehead of UK. Punta tayo dito guys. Pwede kang mahiga-higa dyan sa loob. Yan. Pwede kang mag-talon-talon ba? Talon-talon guys. Oh! Hi guys, so pwede tayong umakyat dito sa may inflatable. This one is the Stonehead of UK. So, I go here. Matubig lang siya guys. Kiyata ko guys dito. Yan, o, diba? Yan, ito, Stonehead UK. Ikutin ko siya. Yan. Ang cute guys, oh. Ayan, pwede kang maupo dito guys. Kaso, due of raining, that's why basa. Basa siya. Ayan. Then we can sit here. Ayan. Huh? Ayan guys. Oh. Ayan, ito yung gilid niya. Oh, ayan guys. Oh, diba guys? Oh! Hi! Ayan yung mga kids guys. Oh! Hello! Oh! Oh, be careful! Oh, parang bata na guys. Oh, yung mga kids. Oh. You go to the other side. Go to the other side. Get them from there. And then you come here. You move here. Ayan, basa na. Ay, basa na guys. Ang daming tubig kasi nga umulan kanina guys. And I think because of the other days raining, so that's why some of the water is come out guys. Ayan. Yung mga iba is ano siya, napisa na kasi nga yung weather hindi maganda. Ito na lang dalawa yata yung natira. Wala na yung Pyramid of Egypt. Kaya dito na lang tayo maglaro-laro guys. Yung chinelas ko iniwan ko doon sa may harapan. Yan. Nawala na yung iba. Ito na lang natira. Yan. Yan, napisa na yung iba. Dalawa na lang yung natira na naiwan. So, yan. Ikot-ikotin ko na lang ito, guys. Yan, guys. So, tuwang-tuwa yung mga bata. Oh, hindi lang bata. Pati matanda na din, guys. Oh, diba? Pati ako nakikibata na rin. Oh, diba? Ang nice. Ang langkit ng baby, oh. Ayan, dito, ikot ka. Ayan. Ikot, guys. Wala na yung ano, guys, yung dun sa may, yung sa Paris, tsaka yung Pyramid of Egypt, and the stone, no, the one that from Italy. Yan. Yan. Ito na lang natira. Ah, so cute. So yan na lang yung natira, guys. Ayan, sana kung maganda sana yung weather. Maganda pa sana yung mga bata ko nag-enjoy. Parang ako lang kanina. Nasa loob dito. Dito na lang siya.
유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지. 기뻐할 너를 상상하며 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억.
Ang cute ito, guys. Oh, love heart-shaped pen. And as usual, andun pa rin si Gorilla. Yan, daming tao. Hello. So yan, guys, that is the end of my video, and thank you for watching. Hope to see you again on my next vlog, and don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys.